What's up, y'all? It's your girl back again with another video. This time I'm going to show y'all how to clean your Taurus G2C. So let's get to it. So for starters, you want to make sure it's off safety, and you want to make sure your clip's empty. You take it out. You want to make sure nothing is in the chamber. Nothing is in there. So what I'm gonna do now is break my gun down so I can clean it out. So for starters, what I do is pull this back. Oh, hold on, y'all. It's hard to do it when I'm on the camera. There you go. Pull this back, and it has 2 notches on each side. You're gonna pull that down, let go. You're gonna pull your trigger, then you're just gonna take it off like that. Broke down. Now I'm gonna pull this sling out, pull the chamber out, and it's officially broke down. So now it's ready for us to start cleaning. What I like to clean first is the barrel. So what I'm gonna do is take one of these, screw it on. Oh, hold on, y'all. Screw it on. And then get your rim oil. Oh, and you can use any gun cleaning kit. You can get them from Walmart, Sporting Goods, Dick's Sporting Goods. I mean, you can get them anywhere. You can just Google where you can get them from. They're not hard to find. But I put a couple drops in there. Then I take this. And go in there with it. I should have got a smaller one, but I know this one is gonna get it clean. So take that. Then I'm gonna take this off. Then I'm gonna use a cloth to go right back behind where I just used the spoolie with. See, look at all that dirt. Okay, and it's excess, so I just use like the end of the towel and wipe it. Yep. I also like to wipe the spring as well. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is the barrel. I'm gonna wipe this down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the rim oil where the high stress points are on the gun. So like right here, right there, here. Then I'm just gonna take like the end of the towel, old towel, and just wipe it. Also, I do like to use like a Q-tip to get inside real good, because my hand too fat to get in there. So I just take the Q-tip. Clean all that. Get the sides. I also like to get the sides of the gun too, just to give it like a little clean look. Then I'm just do the same thing for the other side. You don't need too much. Give it a little shine, make it look cute, make it look pretty. Get the top of it as well. That is clean. Now I'm gonna move on to the body of the gun. So what I'm gonna do is take my rim oil again. I'm gonna go on the sides right here, the stress points in here. I'm gonna put one right there, and then right here, right here. Then I'm just gonna take a Q-tip and clean it. Clean it. And you want to do this so often. I see people recommend doing it after each time you use your gun. Like if you go to the gun range, then clean it after each time. But me, I don't. I just clean every once in a while. I mean, I rarely use it. I ain't been to the gun range in forever. So, it's no need for me to keep cleaning it. Then I'm just gonna take the end of the towel again, and I'm just gonna dab it. I'm not gonna clean too much off of it because I want to keep it lubricated. If you know, you know. Still want to keep that lubricated. I'm also gonna put some on the sides of the gun too, right there and right there. Wipe it down. See, it give it that shine. Looks so nice. And y'all know I gotta do it to the other side too. Some right here, right here. Make it look good and shiny. Get my baby new again. And you have officially cleaned your Taurus G2C. Now, what we're gonna do is put it back together. So, what you're gonna do first, take your barrel, take it, you're gonna put it, make sure I put it inside, put it up, like that. You're gonna take your spring, put it in this second hole, and you wanna push it down. Hold on, y'all. Then you wanna push it down so it makes that click right there. Make sure it's in there. Now what you're gonna do is take the body of the gun, and you see these 2 points right there. You're gonna line that up with these two. So you're just gonna put it like that. Then you've officially done it. That's all you gotta do, and you done. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more.